What's interesting about the flowers is that there seem to be different species of bees that like different flowers, and the ones that we find like the delphiniums are the bumblebees, and we get loads of them in the field. One of the most exciting things to do, which I love every year, and it thrills me and inspires me each year, is to get up very early in the morning at dawn and come down to the field and watch the sunrise over the flowers. And a couple of years ago I did it, and I was looking at, and it's all very still and quiet, and then suddenly in the middle of the field this fallow stag in full antlers jumped up and ran off, and it was almost sort of mythological. It was quite amazing. Just being sort of suffused in nature, not only surrounded by the normal countryside, but being surrounded by these flowers is somehow sort of quintessentially wonderful and captivating, and you just feel so much at one with nature when you're standing out here in the middle of the field. Absolutely love it.